allowed fans, the Lightning did, to come down at the end of July and sign the glass.
400 fans. They signed this 8-foot-tall glass panel from the hockey rink, and it is now installed in Toronto.
All their fans signed the glass. They brought it here.
If you signed that, you were at that game today.
I feel like I'm going with them.
Never seen this done in sports before.
Just awesome to have that support, and the fans took the time to go out and sign it, so that's pretty special.
That's only the first part of this Be the Distant Thunder campaign. Before Lightning players and coaches left for Toronto, they too signed a second piece of glass.
The glass that protects us and the glass that protects our fans is now going to be, the glass that protects our frontline workers, and I couldn't be more proud.